How toner is helpful for your skin. It adds a layer of protection. Toners can help close pores and tighten cell gaps after cleansing, reducing the penetration of impurities and environmental contaminants into the skin. Toner also restores your skin's pH level, smooths skin by refining rough patches and improves skin tone, which can help your skin to be less prone to oiliness and infection. How do you choose a toner for your skin? Oily skin should choose an alcohol-free toner that also exfoliates gently. Toning is not necessary for dry skin health. But if you want to use a toner, should choose a toner that helps hydrate and allows for moisturizer absorption. Combination skin. Look for toners that are rich in antioxidants and hydrating compounds. Normal skin can use any type, as long as it's an alcohol-free toner. Sensitive skin. Using a moisturizing toner which contains ingredients such as glycerin and hyaluronic acid would be more beneficial. How do you use a facial toner? 1. Clean your face with a cleanser. 2. Wash with warm water followed by cold water and pat dry. 3. Use a cotton pad saturated with the alcohol-free toner and apply to your face, or a toner with a sprayer cap. Spritz a mist gently all over your face. 4. Use after any other skin treatments, moisturizers or serum.